Welcome, Swagatamu, Vanakamu to South Asia Maps Intellectual Chatriya's Education Channel. Your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy Jogari Tirupati Reddy. We are continuing our Israel series. This is part 15. We will be talking about the topic called Nahal Paran or Wadi Paran that is present in the Sinai region of Misr, Egypt, Negev region of Israel. Nahal or Wadi is a seasonal river, a small river, doesn't carry much water, essentially a water seasonal river bed. And Mitranam, I have posted all these presentations at South Asia Maps JRD. There are more than 850. You can explore them further in detail. Here, I am showing the Israel specific series. Here we are in part 15, Paran River Basin, Nahal River, that near the Paran town, it joins its mouth, Arava Basin River, that itself a wadi, Nahal. Here I am listing all the 39 or 40 geographic, physiographic regions of Heritage Israel, the Greater Israel region of British mandated Palestine, geopolitical entity once upon a time. You can take a look at them. Physiographic maps, this is the physiographic region, gives a better three-dimensional physical features of a land habitat compared to two-dimensional geopolitical maps. This is almost essentially the same. First, I will talk about this region. Later, I will take you and show different physiographic maps so that you will understand this region a lot better. Nahal means a Wadi seasonal river. This is the Israel West Bank Palestine region, and this yellow part is essentially the river that basin. So Nahal Paran, the source is the Paran area, that is the sandy area in this Sinai and Negev regions called Midbar desert. Its mouth is the Nahal, again Arava or Arava. That is essentially more or less a boundary between the Negev, that is Israel, and Heshmite kingdom of Jordan on the east. Its sub-wadis or tributaries are Wadi Jirafi and Tamarani and Kadakid, Kharkum. There is also mountain range called Kharkum in that area. A road that is different from Arad development town east of Beersheba. These are all together make up a Paran Wadi Nahal that joins Wadi Arava. So this is the the Wadi. What are the borders? This is the Sinai Peninsula region, the sandy area called Midbar Paran, Paran Sands. This is the El Erish Wadi that goes in northern part of Sinai Peninsula and El Erish Basin, and these are the Negev mountains and uplands. The southern port is the Elat Hills and Arava Wadi and Basin, and there is a Asiat Hills Reservoir just close to Paran town, and there is a mountains also in this region, Harsagi. The landmarks nearby is the northern part is the crater Ramon and Timna Park. There is a spelling mistake here. The Salmon Pillars incense trade route and historic city of Audot and resting place of Israel's first premier David Ben Gurion, that is the Sidboker area. And here I am trying to show this area, these wadis in detail. You can look at it here. So Giraffe Wadi here and Tamarani Wadi here, Kadakid Wadi here, Karakum Wadi here, Arod Wadi here, the bigger Wadi, Paran Wadi, Nahal Paran that joins Araba. That is again a Nahal, a Wadi. I will try to show a bigger map here. So you can have a bigger map here. We can see this, a broader perspective. We have to remember the Paran town, the Paran. This is the Arawa or Arava Wadi. So this is the Paran sands desert Midbar Paran. So it comes here. You can see here I can read Har Karkom, that's the Karkon mountains, and Har Sagi, that is the Sagi mountains here. So if you zoom out, you'll get a bird's eye view. This is the Sinai Peninsula in the Misr, Egypt. This is the Negev region of Ertez, Israel region. And that is the Negev upland region. This is the Jin Valley. And this is the Nekrot or Raman. You can see the Ramon crater and Gedol crater and Katan craters there. Our interest is this. You can see very clearly the Ramperan Wadi. Here, Karkon, Wadi, Arad, and other giraffe are not very clear in this resolution. You can see here, this is the Arish, Al-Arish Wadi, that is in the Sinai Peninsula. Hiyan Valley here, and this is the Arawa. This is the Aqaba, Iliad, or that water body connecting to the Red Sea. Eventually, Bab el-Mandeb separates us from Hindu Mahasagar, Indian Ocean. So here we are getting a broader outlook of the Eilat and Taba and Al-Hakal in Saudi Arabia and Aqaba in Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan. So this is the Paran sand areas you can see. This is the Paran town. This Eshet reservoir you can see there. That is the Eshet hills. You can see Eshet reservoir. This is the on the Arawa. So it joins Wadi Jarafi there in that area. It joins, you can see here, Arad, and this is the Karkum, that area. You can see here what we are looking is, that is the, in the bottom portion is the Gulf of Aqaba or Gulf of Elat, and you can see clearly Paran. This is the Karkum mountain here. This is the Karkum Wadi and Arod Wadi. So this is the Ramon crater and Wadi there, that is called Nekrat also, and you can see that clearly. In the this topic should give you a broader, deeper understanding rather than making this very simple run on the mill, means describe an average presentation. So it is designed in a such way so that the audience will be having a deeper understanding of this region, because this region, even though small, 22,000 square kilometers, geopolitical entity of Israel and Palestine, East, West Bank and Gaza Strip, in the overall world area, it is a very strategic geopolitical entity of very great ideological and geopolitical importance. You can understand that by understanding more about this particular region. That is about Paran, Wadi, Nahal. Next, Mitrana, we look at the Aqaba Valley, are also called Eilat Valley. There is a spelling mistake here, a little bit, and in the next presentation. Thank you very much for joining me today. Your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy, South Asia Maps Education Channel, Intellectual Chatriyas Channel. See you in the next presentations, Mitrana.